Hey, I'm Ben. I'm running a course called How to Run Productive Meetings and Workshops. It's all about making sure that your time together, that you're leading as a team, is productive. So whether that is a meeting or whether that's through to a workshop, I've got a template that I use that you can take away and learn all about. So the course is structured in the following way. When we kick off at 10, we're going to not only meet each other, but explore why meetings go wrong. You're going to walk away with a couple of exercises you could use straight away. Once we've understood why they go wrong, we're going to look at structures that you can use easily to make them go right. So you'll again have exercises you can use straight away to add more structure and more productive outcomes to your meetings, as well as learning about some great takeaways that you can put into place to think about how you structure them. And then finally, you'll get the chance to put this all together in the same way I have done with the template to design your meetings and workshops in a really productive way. So that's the structure. I've run it before as a half day. I realised I didn't have enough time, so it's now a full day to make sure that you really get time to explore some of the key challenges that you identify from meetings and workshops, a little bit more time to apply the template, as well as getting to know everyone else in the room as well. So that's how the course is structured. We've got a great space in London, near King's Cross, but it's a natural park. So we've got access to the open space and we can do a little walk and talk as well as being in the great space that's provided. And I've booked a press room in the Joint Works in Birmingham in the Jewellery Quarter, which is a great space. Also a co-working space. I really hope you can come along and join me. Yeah.